Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to block quote. So to create block quote, we can use the indents from the rules. Like I will click at this point, you can press enter buttons. The next, use the indents, you can click these icons to move into the center like this. And I will click again in this point to the left. You can change the paragraph into justify. The next we can insert for the quote image. You can go to insert and then click a picture. I will insert from this device. Okay, you can click these icons. You can download this icon from the Google. There are a lot of options. I will set for the wrappings into front of text, and then you can resize this image. This you can copy and paste. The next I will crop this object, use crop tools, and select again this object, crop again from this point. Now you can move the image into here, and the seconds we move again to this point. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to block quote. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.